Hi guys, I'm back. So thanks for watching the previous video. It had like 1K viewers in about 4 days, and that certainly gives me a boost to continue. Today's video can be very short. We're going to have a look at how to turn this circuit prototype from the previous video into a cartridge that can be installed on the new generator. So let's get to it. So I took the liberty to take apart the motor again, as you can see, and I also thought maybe it's nice to take off this tape, and so in order to do that I had to, glue a couple of spots here to make sure the last turn or winding was tight, and so now we can see the coils. That looks a lot more interesting. Previously I also talked about how these nuts and bolts of nylon would be perfect for the starter, but I figured out these nylon bolts are actually not the right thing to use, because some part of the nylon bolt here at the top breaks and it will keep twisting, like you can't tighten it up anymore. So these will go in the trash. So I ordered these slightly smaller bolts and also the appropriate nuts that fit with it, and they're from AliExpress. They're relatively cheap and they are made of titanium, and so these are the best things to use because they don't respond to the magnetism at all. So here's one of these strong magnets from the stack from this motor, and as you can see, it doesn't respond to it. Also, when held in close proximity to a rotating magnetic field, you should feel something, usually when the eddy currents start to build, but you can see nothing really happens. And also these bolts are almost or about as strong as iron, so this is great material. As for the circuit cartridges, you can imagine with all 8 coils installed, that would be very crowded, especially when the wires are messed up like this. So some cleaning up of the wires would be required. This will be like the cartridge, and it will hold the transistors on there, and that be inserted in here. So like it's 3 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. In the end it will be something like this, so like these will be on top of one another. So here's the general shape of these circuit cartridges. Now let's go and solder them up. So this is how far I got today with the cartridges. As you can see, they're soldered. They fit in quite nicely, and you can see it's nice and snug on the other side as well. And as you can see, I also redid the wiring, so it's no longer a bird's nest. It looks much nicer now with the tie wraps. So I'm getting some more comments and questions on the videos, and I like it, so keep doing it. We can talk about motor circuits and stuff. This is cool. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like it. But for now, this is it, and thanks for watching. See you next time!